Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys everything you need to know about the what is it called? Giantbean Shard. Sorry, I'm like forgetting what it is. So it basically applies mutation to the pet. The pet will be a giant bean, and it's going to be green and big, and it's going to have a 15% faster hunger rate, and it will gain an additional 0.11 XPs for each beanstalk planted in the player's garden. So the more beanstalk you have, I think you'll gain more XPs if that's the case. It's going to make your pet green and big. I don't know if I want to apply this to any of my pets. So I don't know how like they'll look. Maybe to like the pets that I don't really need, like a mochi mouse or something. But I don't know like how effective it's going to still be. So yeah, that is pretty much it. It is the 12 mutation that changes the pet's colors, and this is the first exclusive pet mutation shard that gives an ability that doesn't mutate a plant. Like the one before, like the aromatic pet shard, it does give like mutation to the plant, but this one does not. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Also, if you want to apply it to a pet, you're just going to put it out your inventory and you're just going to click on the pet you want to give the mutation to. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.